Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Roblox error code 277 network issue while you are playing the Roblox application on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is you need to quit from playing Roblox and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your Windows. Try restarting your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows, and also a simple restart can fix the issue. So once you restarted your Windows, open the Roblox app, and if it is working this time then good, but if not, you need to move to the next methods. Next method is you need to switch to other networks. So click on this Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar. Now, if you have any other Wi-Fi network at home or at your place, then you can try to switch on any other Wi-Fi network that will work for you. You can also switch to mobile data. So you can try to connect any other Wi-Fi network that will work for you. So try in that. That can also help you in fixing the issue. Then we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. Then simply click this button right here. So once you click on that, this will not only check for updates or update your Windows, but this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once this is done, just simply close this. Then in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Type here this command. We're going to flush the DNS ipconfig space / flush DNS. It's ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter. Now successfully flushed. The DNS resolver cache. Type exit. Hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Then in the Windows search bar again, type ncpa.cpl. So click on it under the best match. Now we need to look for the connection that you are connected to. So if you are connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, the process is just the same. So I am connected to Wi-Fi. Make a right click, select Properties. Now the Wi-Fi properties will be up. Click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Then here you'll find this button of use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So type here for the preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate, type here 8.8.4.4, and you have to click on OK. And then simply close this Windows. Then also we can try this method. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and look for Troubleshoot. Then here, click on Other Troubleshooters. Then you'll find Network and Internet with the Run button corresponding to it. So I suggest that you need to try running the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. So once you run this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So try in that. Then if the issue persists, for the last method, we can uninstall the app and then reinstall it again. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then here, we need to search for Roblox. Now you have to click on these three dots, select Uninstall. Now once you have uninstalled the application, then what you can do, we need to reinstall it again. So bring up any of your favorite browser like Chrome or Edge. Now here in the search bar, just type Roblox download. Hit enter. Then scroll down and you'll find the official website of Roblox, www.roblox.com. Download Roblox, click on it. Then here you'll find Download Windows app, click on that. and the installer file will be downloaded right here. So once the installer file has been downloaded, just double click and then close the Microsoft Edge browser, and then this will reinstall Roblox for you. So once installed, then you just have to simply continue enjoying the game. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.